Hey guys, it's your unboxing video. Steve-O Super Watch guy, something another here. Yeah, today we have a special treat here. It is the VICTORINOX Renegade. New old stock 90s style Swiss Army watch in black. All black, that's right. Let's set this up. Gotta be somewhere. Quick wristwatch check, 1980. Timex, chronograph. World time, world time. That's right, world time, world time. Quick wristwatch check. Hate these things. Oh, What on earth have we got here? Well, I believe it's. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Would you look at that? Just look at it. I need a macro. Holy macro. It's bloody beautiful, isn't it? It's retro vintage. It's from the 90s, you see. I ain't make them anymore. They're all gummed up now with ugliness. It's a beautiful 38mm size, 50 meter water, 18mm logs, 38mm, roughly 10mm snapback, Swiss quartz, a rounder signed crown there. It's got a VICTORINOX on it there. Look at well, will you look at? Bloody hell! I'm gonna need me a camera. It's beautiful. If you could just see it, it's a disaster. There you have it. Me unboxing.